It's a 2016 Kia Optima. The bold grille is just a hint at the thrill you'll feel behind the wheel of this pulse racing Optima. But this sedan is more than just a joyride, it's an all-around joyful experience. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Theta 2 engine, dual zone climate control, doors and push button start proximity key, external memory control, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and hands-free liftgate. Cars.com finds with its crease sheet metal and low-slung shape, there's a luxury car sophistication to the Optima's exterior that you don't see in a lot of family sedans. Kia, dependable today and way, way down the road. Hurry in today for a test drive.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.